So Scott, we had beautiful weather this weekend, but will it last through the week?
Well, part of the week, but we'll take a quick look at that in a moment. Let's go and start off by looking across the state. Beautiful temperatures across the state, even with the thunderstorms that pretty much everyone saw earlier this morning. Over in Goodland, they start off with a high of 75 today. Topeka, well into the 70s as well, and same way in Kansas City, and all the way down into the 80s towards the southern portion of the state. So beautiful temperatures across the entire state, and it'll maintain that those nice temperatures even into tomorrow. Let's go and take a quick look at our satellite. You can see a lot of cloud cover actually, mainly off to the west over in the Pacific Northwest. That's actually what's going to potentially bring us our next system, but at the same time it could just kind of wear off and give us a lot of cloud cover, so we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But right now you can see a lot of cloud cover across the state of Kansas. Most of that's actually moved out of the way, but you can still see up to the northern portion of the state, a lot of cloud cover, and then that little bit down in the south. That's actually the system that's been moving through Oklahoma and Arkansas that fortunately we haven't had to deal with at this point in time, or at least not today. Going on to our radar, you can see a lot of the regional showers that have moved out of the Kansas City area and well up to our north in Iowa, parts of Illinois. They're actually under different watches and warnings right now as far as thunderstorm and tornado watches. Fortunately, we didn't have to deal with that. Well, the thunderstorm warnings we did, but fortunately no tornadoes in our area of the world this morning. You can take a quick look at our today's weather. There's that low pressure system, and that's what actually moved through over the morning hours into this afternoon. And then going into tomorrow, you can see that just progresses off to the north, which is why the showers are moving that direction. And then you see that cold front that actually moves in over the next 24 to 36 hours. And so going into tomorrow evening, you see that cold front moving well through the area. And that's what's actually going to cause us to have a little dip in our temperatures Tuesday into Wednesday. But fortunately, it'll start warming up after that. We'll go and take a quick look at tomorrow's temperatures. You can see beautiful temperatures still across the entire state. A little chillier off to the west as that cold front starts moving through, but obviously Topeka, Kansas City well into the 70s, even down south to the southeast portion of the state well into the 70s. And so surprise, surprise, here in Lawrence we'll be in the 70s. So great temperatures. Of course, still a chance of rain though. Here's tonight's forecast. Mostly clear, very windy, as most of you could tell today. We have a southerly wind, 15 to 35 mile an hour. So very breezy, but 64 of a low, so very comfortable. And then going into tomorrow, still very windy, warm. Thunderstorms is a very good chance. We're probably looking at about a 75 to 80% chance at storms. And then tomorrow evening, the storms will continue. Still very windy, upwards of 30 mile an hour wind gusts. But that's when it'll switch to the north as the cold front moves through and bottom out our temperatures between Tuesday and Wednesday.